Next, the conditioned soybeans are crushed into flakes to increase the surface area exposed for oil extraction. This crushing process is performed using roller mills, which break the beans into smaller pieces while preserving the integrity of the oil cells. The soybean flakes are then subjected to a cooking process, where they are heated to denature enzymes that could degrade the oil quality. Cooking also helps in softening the flakes. The actual oil extraction can be done through either mechanical pressing or solvent extraction. In mechanical pressing, screw presses apply high pressure to squeeze out the oil from the cooked flakes. While this method is straightforward, it may not extract all the oil, leaving some residual oil in the mill. Solvent extraction, on the other hand, uses hexane or similar solvents to dissolve the oil from the flakes, resulting in higher oil yields. The solvent is later removed through distillation. Finally, the crude oil undergoes refining processes including deguming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization to remove impurities, improve color, and enhance flavor. These steps ensure that the final product meets food-grade standards. Overall, the soybean oil processing machinery plays an essential role in each stage.